Are your TikTok accounts getting low views, zero reach, or even getting restricted? What if you could safely warm up and manage dozens or even hundreds of TikTok accounts automatically without risking bans? Today, I'll show you how to do exactly that using MKT Tick Pro. Managing just one TikTok account is already difficult. Now imagine managing 10, 50, or even 100 accounts. Most people face these problems. New accounts get zero views. Accounts get shadow banned. Manual posting is exhausting. Warming up takes weeks. Without a proper warm-up process, your TikTok accounts die before they even grow. That's why we built the warm-up and multi-account management system inside MKT Tick Pro. This tool allows you to warm up TikTok accounts automatically, simulate real human behavior, and manage multiple accounts safely from one dashboard. And yes, it's very safe too. MKT Tick Pro uses real device simulation, rotating actions, safe delays, and proxy isolation. There's no API abuse, no spam behavior. Everything runs exactly like a real person using TikTok. Let me show you how easy it is to warm up multiple TikTok accounts. Step 1. Open MKT Tick Pro. Step 2. Add your TikTok accounts. Step 3. Assign a proxy to each account. This is extremely important to keep every account on a different IP. Step 4. Go to Interaction function and add script. Choose the actions you want. Interaction by keyword like kid clothing and household chores, auto scroll feed, and auto watch video, auto like, share, comment, auto follow. Or you can choose interaction with UID, what account you want to push viral, follower, or live stream interaction. Step 5. Set your delays and limits. For example, 20 to 40 seconds per action, 10 actions per accounts for running. Step 6. Click Start. Now MKT Tick Pro will automatically warm up all your TikTok accounts, safely and naturally. With MKT Tick Pro, you can add and manage unlimited TikTok accounts. Assign a separate proxy for each account. Auto-follow, like, watch video, and scroll feed. Auto-interact with trending content. Warm up new TikTok accounts safely. Run activities on multiple accounts at the same time. Control speed, delays, and behavior patterns. Avoid shadow ban and suspicious signals. In short, MKT Tick Pro makes every TikTok account look like a real human is using it. If you want to warm up TikTok accounts safely, manage dozens of accounts at once, and build a scalable TikTok system, then MKT Tick Pro is the tool you need. Click the link in the description for a full demo, or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp for setup and support. I'm Hoang Mamba Tools. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok automation tutorials. See you in the next video.